So in this task, we're going to use from the previous task of task B, and we're going to compare the average prices of fridges and freezers made by this company. So basically, we're going to use the three tables. We're going to add some of the related fields. I have added product code, not related, not needed, but as a primary key, I have added it. And then we need the model and we need the price. These two fields are important. So the model is going to show you like different models and their prices. So they want you, so in the question, if you notice, there is no that much explanation. It's mentioned in the bottom, but let me explain it to you. So basically they want you to look at the model. If the model is ending with the 6 right characters equal to freeze, then they want you to show it in a new field that this is a freezer. And if not, then this is going to be a fridge. So whatever is ending with freeze should be showing as freezer, and whatever not should be showing as fridge. And then the rest of the question, they're asking you to compare the prices. This is not what we're going to do. We're just going to extract the right character and make it equal to compare. Is it equal to freeze or not? If it is yes, true, then freezer, otherwise no. So that's a pretty simple job to do. So let's put it over here. So first you need to start with putting the name, the new name of the field. So our new name, we can just call it type, and then it follows with the colon. So it follows with the colon. After that, you're going to put your condition or criteria or formula over here. So my formula is saying that I'm going to extract. So let me start with extracting from the right side. I'm going to extract it from which field? We usually do the extraction on Excel or spreadsheet, and we're going to use the cell name, right? So here we don't have cells, we're having fields. So the field is going to be model number. So whenever you're extracting from a specific field or you're referring to a field, you need to put it between square brackets. So I have it added here between square brackets. After that, what I need to do, so the first argument or the first parameter is you need to get the field, and the second is how many you want to extract from the right side. So I need 6 characters. Okay, so now let's run this and let's check it. You can see now that I am getting freeze in whatever is ending with freeze, and for the others it's just ending with cool words. Okay, so now I want this to be equal to freeze. So if it is equal to freeze, I am going to make it to change to freezer. So for this, I am going to use if condition. So if actually in excess is with double I, so I'm going to put double I, and the rest is going to be the same. So the first parameter in if is a condition. So that's part of my condition, that it needs to extract 6 right characters. So this needs to equal to freeze. So if this is equal to freeze, so that's my first parameter. If this is equal to freeze, then what to do? If it is true, the second parameter, if it is true. If it is true, put freezer. All right. And the last parameter is going to be, in case it is false, then just put fridge. So let's run this now and let's check it. So here we go. You can see this is just a fridge, so showing as a fridge. This is freezer, showing as freezer, 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 fridge, and so on. So this is my task 10Q, which is about freeze or freezer versus fridge, which is supposed to be a comparison. So anyway, this was just our question. I am just asked here to create a database, compare, and okay, it's not mentioned do I need to create a query or a report. So far query is the correct answer, but there is nothing mentioned to create a report, so I'm just going to leave it as it is. And let's move to the, oh yeah, we can carry on actually and making it into a report. So let's just save it and let's go to the query, to the report, and scroll down, add all of the details, finish. Okay, so you can see, oh, I created into a form. Anyway, wrong button. So I press over this. Actually, I'm supposed to press over this. So let's get back again, add all the details. Yes, next, next. And okay, that's the right title I wanted. Okay, so close this view and let's get back to this view. So I can just call it freezer versus fridge. Okay, that's it. I can just make some minor adjustment, and that's the end of this lesson. So let's just finalize it. Okay, that's it, and let's go for the next task.